In news now from the UK, women of Indian origin from London, Cambridge, Oxford, especially doctors, scientists, engineers, businesswomen, they actually reached the British Parliament to protest against the alleged delay in justice for the 31-year-old junior doctor who was raped and murdered in West Bengal's Kolkata. Solutions for sustainable safety were discussed, even as women, men, young people poured their anger and frustration over repeated assaults against women. My colleague Radhika Iyer reports from London.
From RG Car to the British Parliament, the rage, the frustration, the anger, the emotions don't seem to die down. And why should it? Because here, just outside the British Parliament, are so many female doctors, women, who have come out on a working day to protest against what has happened in Kolkata, what is happening every day in India, and also not just to demand justice, but also perhaps have those constructive conversations on how to have strategy solutions in place to make sure women are safe, not for a day, not only at workplace, but beyond. And to talk about this particular protest that has been happening, I'm going to go across to Deepthi first. And as I introduce Deepthi and some other doctors who've gathered here, please see what's happening here just outside the British Parliament. Here are tea lights being lit up, a candlelight protest, a peaceful protest that's underway. What are you trying to form or write?
We are writing justice. And we are doing with the tea lights so that it is more vibrant and everybody can see what we are asking for. Yes.
So today, this one is the London group, and I think this will probably be the largest group today. Manchester, again, we are expecting about 150 turning up. Birmingham, same amount. Glasgow, Edinburgh, Newcastle, all the Leicester. I think so. We have 16 cities have joined, and I found it most difficult to find a contact in Dublin, and we managed to get the contact, and they too are joining.
So these are all working professionals on a weekday who are protesting miles and miles away from Kolkata.
Yes,
sharing the same sentiment of seeking justice, of seeking answers, at least understanding what exactly happened with this young 31-year-old, and hopefully having those meaningful conversations for better safety in a sustainable way.
I think so. That is the hope.
Yeah.
That's hope we live in.
Thank you.